Welcome. If you've ever wanted to view Instagram highlights from your PC, you're in the right place. With the latest Instagram update, accessing highlights on your desktop is easier than ever. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to view any Instagram highlight right from your computer screen. Let's get started. First, make sure you have the Instagram app open on your PC. If you haven't already, you can access Instagram through your web browser by going to Instagram.com and logging in with your account details. The interface is now more user-friendly and closely matches what you see on your phone. Next, head over to the profile that contains the highlight you want to view. You can do this by typing the username into the search bar at the top of the page. Once you land on their profile, take a look just below their bio section. Here, you'll see a row of highlight covers. These are the story highlights that the user has saved and shared on their profile. Now simply click on the highlight you want to watch. The highlight will open in a pop-up window, allowing you to view all the stories saved in that particular highlight. You can use the arrows on either side to move forward or backward through the stories, just like you would on the mobile app. This new update makes it super convenient to catch up on your favorite creators' highlights, even if you're away from your phone. Whether you're looking for travel inspiration, tutorials, or just want to relive some memorable moments, you can do it all from your PC. And that's it. You've just learned how to view Instagram highlights on your computer with the latest update. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.